Love bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, endures all things. Love never ends.
Forever seems like a long time, but nothing seems like a long time when I'm with you.
For those of you who know Sonja and have had the chance to love Sonja, you know that Richie is truly blessed. But once she loves you, she loves you. Once she has your back, she has your back. So Richie, treat her well, love her, and I hope you guys have a wonderful life together.
Let her take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart and take my hand again and again. Right where we stand.
When I think of Richie, I think of a selfless and well-mannered person. Everyone that knows Richie knows that he's a dependable and selfless person, always willing to put himself there and to make sure everybody's all right. I remember when he came to me and he said, Craigie, I think I'm gonna ask her, and he knew exactly what he was signing up for. When Richie was younger, he used to get frustrated a little easy. And Curtis said, boy, Craig, you want a girl, not true? And I can definitely say, Sonja, you are that girl that has helped Richie grow into this man here today that everyone has spoken so highly of.